Ni hao, are you still using the flashcard for teaching aid? Today, we like to introduce our product, FUYOO. FUYOO in Mandarin means as rich. Our awesome teams are Fayed, Ikhwan and me, Shikin. Our FUYOO products is actually innovative and creative teaching tools that will help our students to improve their basic numbers in Chinese characters that comes with 3 levels. Our objective is actually to help the student to memorize the Chinese basic characters. This is because numbers in Mandarin is essential for the date, time, prices and other topics. Okay, our product comes with 3 basic, intermediate and advanced. It also covers with 3 topics which are basic numbers, date and time. It has the cognitive and kinesthetic learning, and it also comes with multi-sensory experience that will help the student to have an active engagement. Alright, our product shows an impact on student learning, which are improving the memorization in student for the basic characters numbers, and of course enhance the Mandarin proficiency and student engagement. These are the evidence that our students have tried our product level 1, level 2 and level 3. We have been conducted pre and post tests to implement our product, and it shows that all of the students have a rising marks from the post test. We also conducted a questionnaire to know how effective our product to our students. As a conclusion, our journey begins from the concept to a classroom that has been both enlightening and rewarding. By integrating these mastery learning principles into this design of the FUYOO box, we have created a tool that not only teach the Chinese numbers to the student, but also the student could take control of their learning journey. It is a valuable asset in this modern education, fostering an engaging, effective learning environment that adapts to each student's unique pace and needs. Together, let's continue innovative and enhance the student education experience everywhere. 千里之外，学语之下。A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. 谢谢 Thank you for watching. 再见。
如果你不爱我，就把我的心还我。你用爱换走青春，我还留下了什么？如果你还爱我，就什么话都别说。就跟我一路狂奔，就不要想太多。痴情不是罪过，忘情不是洒脱。为你想的撕心裂肺，有什么结果？
你说到底为什么都是我的错？都把爱情想得太美，现实太诱惑。到底为什么让你更难？这样爱你出了泪还能怎么做？
Yo, baby. 如果你不爱我，就把我的心还我。你用爱换走青春，我还留下了什么？如果你还爱我，就什么话都别说。就跟我一路狂奔，就不要想